Welcome to DelfStack. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change your name in Duolingo. Updating your profile name helps personalize your Duolingo account and display the correct information. First, open the Duolingo app on your device and look at the bottom navigation bar. Tap on the three dots in the bottom right, then tap on Profile. From there, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Profile. Here you will see the option to edit your name and your username. Tap on the name field and enter your new name. If you want, you can also update your username in the username field. And that's it. We navigated to the Duolingo profile settings and updated both the display name and username. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.